Have you ever heard of Area 51? What is Area 51? Some people think in Area 51 there are UFOs. UFOs with aliens. Some people think it is a secret military base where they build secret weapons. But what is it? Hello everyone, welcome back to English on Autopilot. And today we are talking about Area 51. Let's start with the history. Let's go back in time. Area 51 was built in the Nevada desert. In the Nevada desert, about 80 miles or 130 kilometers northwest of Las Vegas. It is in the desert. Around Area 51, there is nothing. No people, no buildings. No, there is nothing. It was built in the year 1955, when the United States of America was in a war versus the Soviet Union, the USSR, which today is Russia. But in 1955, it was called the USSR, the Soviet Union. Now, the United States built Area 51 to make things in secret. They needed to build things in secret, like, for example, airplanes. They needed to build airplanes to spy on the USSR. One plane they built is the U-2 spy plane, to spy on the USSR and to take pictures from very, very high in the air, very high up, where on the ground, a person on the ground cannot see the plane. They cannot see the plane. In Area 51, they built many types of planes. Some to spy, like the U-2 spy plane, and some to attack. And the USA, the US government, did not say anything. They kept Area 51 a secret. until the year 2013. The government said nothing. The American people knew. They knew Area 51 was real. But the government didn't say anything until 2013. I know. Because it was secret, people, they wondered what could be in Area 51. And people started to say, in Area 51, there are UFOs. UFOs, which are unidentified flying objects. Things, objects. And who flies the UFO? Of course, aliens. Aliens fly the UFO. Not people. No, aliens fly them. So people said, in Area 51, there are UFOs and there are aliens. This became very popular. A lot of people thought that in Area 51 there were aliens. And scientists dissected the aliens to study them. Ugh. Why did people think this? Why? Because in 1947, in New Mexico, people believed that a UFO crashed to the ground. It crashed. Is it true? I don't know. But people, they thought it was true. So, in Area 51, are there aliens? Well, in 2019, people went on Facebook and created a group for people. And the group was to enter Area 51. They thought, if there's a lot of people, they can't stop everyone. In the Facebook group, there were 2 million people that were going to enter Area 51. But the US military said no. The Air Force, the part of the military, the branch of the military that is in charge of planes in the sky, the Air Force in the air, said no. It is still today a military base with soldiers and scientists and engineers building planes. People, normal people like me, who are not in the military, cannot enter Area 51. No, it is prohibited. It is prohibited. No. At the end, finally, only about 2,000 people showed up to Nevada. And they had a party, a party about aliens. And that was it. Today, we still don't know what is in Area 51 because it's a secret. What do you think? Do you think it's all government technology to build weapons? Or do you think there are aliens and UFOs in Area 51? Put it in the comments below. What do you think? Don't forget to subscribe to keep watching videos of comprehensible input right here with English on Autopilot. And we will see each other in the next video. Bye.